Hello, welcome back to Beyonce BB's TV. Today, we're going to be opening my mother's Valentine's gift.
Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new in the house, you're welcome. And for all our return subscribers, we love you all and we appreciate all your love and support. Today is going to be a lovely day for me. I'm going to be opening my lovely Valentine's gift from my lovely bae. It's a surprise gift, so I've not even seen what is inside the box, so I just decided to come join with you guys to also see what is inside this lovely package.
So before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit those notification bells down below.
Yeah, so I'm here with my lovely daughter. She really wanted to see the surprise, so she didn't want to stay away out of the video. So she was really anxious to see what inside this box, this lovely package that I'm going to open with you guys. So she also decided to wish you guys a happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day to each and every one of you.
We love you all and God bless you. We appreciate all your love that you've been giving to our channel. May God bless you all. And so now, let's get started. Are you ready to see this lovely surprise with me together? Are you ready?
Yes, I'm
ready.
ready.
You guys are ready. I'm so excited. And let me see. It's gonna be a surprise. Are you ready to see the surprise?
And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dun, dun,
Happy
dun.
Valentine Day
Day.
for me. Yeah. So I will open the box now. So guys, stay tuned and let me show you what is inside this package. What is inside this package? There you get it. See it. Symbol of love. My
Mother Nature.
Yeah.
Got some
I love it.
flowers.
Yeah. As you can see, this is how the box looks like.
Blue
With
ribbon,
some really
flowers.
love sign. That is definitely means like I really appreciate the gift back as well. So guys, let's start. Are you going to help me open it or I do it?
You can do it.
I do it, yeah? Okay, my daughter said I should open my gift. So I'll be opening this gift with you guys and let me see what is there. I'm really anxious to know what's inside this box. But first, I know he knows I'm a lover of chocolate. So I have some chocolate first, as you can see, guys. Look at how good they are. You see, that is one of my Valentine's gift. So that is this one. Oh, sorry guys. And the next I'll be showing you is, let me see what is inside this package. I don't really know what is inside, but I guess.
Want me to help you?
Wow!
What's inside the bag? Oh, there's a little note.
A little note. There is a little note. Let me see what is inside this. Okay.
It
Are
says,
you guys ready to see this little note in this package? Wow!
Happy Valentine's Day, sweetheart. Love you and always will, from Donji Vincent Coty.
They get it. Wish me happy Valentine's Day. And that is it. That is the package. So let me unbox what is inside this.
I think you pull these 2 ribbons.
Yeah, Madam Beyonce always know everything. I have to pull these 2 ribbons.
In 3, 2, dun 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 dun, 3, 1. Whoa.
What can be this? Let me see what is that. Let me see what is in this box. Guys, are you ready to see what is inside? Let me see. My God, what can be that? Let me see what is that. Okay. Let me see what is that.
I think you're holding it upside down.
Okay, let me see what is that, Beyonce. Can you give me a moment, please? Let me check what's inside. It's my gift, so guys, I have to like, what can be this? Oh my God, get something very special and I love it. Okay, let me keep this fair. So guys, yeah, it's my gift, and I so much love it. I love it so much, so much, so much. So let me show it to you guys. That is it, guys. As you can see, that is my lovely chain, and the writing is really nice. You can see that is how it looks like. Very pretty, with a love sign on it. Have a love sign on it, and with some, and on the chain instead it's written there. Let me see what is written on the chain. For always, okay, start here. Love you for always. It says I love you, then for always and forever. I love you for always and forever. As you can see, that's what it looks like. Hope you guys can see it. Richard, I admire the chain so much. It's really good. That is the writing there over there. I think it's really tiny. You can't really see it that much. I love the design. Love the way it's very simple and cool. See? Really, I really appreciate my Valentine's gift, especially this chain. And that was what was in here. Besondere Geschenk for the besondere moment. Yeah. So a special gift for for a special moment, you know. Can always keep it maybe clean. I don't know, this part is maybe to keep it clean, and that is the, I think that is how to, is it the description of the how to use it or what, I don't know. It's written in German. Also Reinigung, how to clean it. I think let me see what is inside this envelope. Give your gift a surprise. Yeah, that's why it was a surprise, and I decided to open it for you guys together. Open this envelope.
Unwrap your present before opening this envelope. Ooh. And 3, 2, 1!
What can be inside this envelope? Let me see. What is this inside this envelope?
Open it.
Maybe
open
it's
it.
locked down. Let me see. Maybe it can be something inside.
There is something open. Open it.
I'm not gonna show you guys this one, but okay. Okay. Hey guys, ready to see what is in here?
In 5,
No.
4, 3,
This one is
2,
I keep it
1.
This one I'm not gonna open this guy. This one is for me. It's private. It's private for me. I'm not gonna show you guys, but I'm just going to share a little bit tip about it. But stay tuned. Stay tuned. Let me see what is inside. There's some papers inside. Yeah. Okay. That was it.
From Amazon.
And it goes from Happy Valentine's Day, sweetheart. Love you and always will. From you get it. You guys, can you guys see? That was a little bit of a piece of paper that I found in an envelope. So let me
Wait,
let me see what.
There's a downer part. No, look here.
It's of German. It's okay. Still, that's what is important there. So I'll be checking on what is next inside. Okay, let me keep this one. That is for me. I'm going to be keeping that one. It's private. But guys, guess what is inside this envelope? Guess what is inside this envelope? Please don't come for me, oh. I will not share. That's why I say it's for me. It's private. It's just my gift and it's my day. So I will show you just part of it. Let me see. I know that people come after this for me. Some notes. Some notes. So I have to go shopping after this. I have shopping. I think due to the lockdown.
Big shopping. Yeah,
due to the lockdown, he decided to do it this way for me. So guys, please. That's why I said this one was private for me. you can see, that is it. So guys, I hope you loved my Valentine's gift. I decided to share it with you guys because I was
Don't forget to like.
No. I really love my chain so much. It's really well designed. And from which
I also like because it's like
especially
2 in
for
1.
a special gift for every special moment. It's written there. It's really
Beautiful.
It's really beautiful. That is the design.
Okay.
And you see, and that is what is written on the design box. A special gift. I don't. Was it made? It was a design for me. A special gift for every special moment. See how special I am? I'm really special. So guys, let me see. I do love my gift. My gift was so much of a big shout out to me, guys, and I hope you enjoy this video with me. And I can't wait. Maybe I just have to try it on now with you guys, but no, you guys are not gonna see it. I always make a new video and you guys gonna see it when I'm putting it on. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video,
Don't forget
to like,
subscribe, and hit those notification bells down below.
We love you all. God bless you.
And happy Valentine's once more. Bye.
Bye bye. Ciao.
Ciao.